Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full review of a car that's been catching a lot of attention lately, the Flipshade. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for your next ride, this review is going to give you everything you need to know in under 5 minutes, so stick around. Let's start with the name, Flipshade. What exactly does that mean? The Flipshade is not just a cool-sounding title, it refers to the unique panoramic sunroof technology integrated into this model. Unlike conventional sunroofs, the Flipshade uses a dynamic flip glass system that allows drivers to switch between full transparency, shade, and blackout modes with just the press of a button. It's a fusion of comfort and futuristic design, giving this car a signature edge. Now, when it comes to the exterior, the Flipshade delivers a striking and modern silhouette. Sleek lines run across the aerodynamic frame, with a low-slung front end and aggressive LED headlights that give it a bold road presence. The grille design is subtle but elegant, and the 18-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness. Every detail feels intentional, from the side mirrors with integrated indicators to the flush door handles that blend into the bodywork for a cleaner aesthetic. It's clear that the designers put thought into both form and function. Under the hood, performance doesn't take a backseat either. The Flipshade comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pushing out around 240 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It goes from 0 to 60 in just under 6.5 seconds, which is pretty impressive for a vehicle in its class. The handling feels responsive thanks to the adaptive suspension system, and driving modes let you choose between comfort, sport, and eco settings depending on your mood or road conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, the Flipshade gives you a smooth, controlled experience. Now let's hop inside. The interior is where this car really starts to feel premium. Step in and you're greeted with a minimalist cabin wrapped in soft touch materials, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that adjusts based on time of day. The dashboard features a 12.3-inch digital display cluster paired with a 10-inch infotainment screen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and a premium sound system are all part of the package. Rear passengers aren't left out either, they get plenty of legroom and even their own climate vents. Finally, let's talk numbers. The base model of the Flipshade starts at around $34,000, which already includes a generous list of features. For the mid-level trim, you're looking at approximately $38,000, and the fully loaded version tops out just shy of $44,000. Considering what it offers in terms of tech, design, and performance, it's a competitive price point. So, is the Flipshade worth it? If you're after style, innovation, and a well-rounded driving experience, this car should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one. Let me know if you want it tailored to a specific brand, electric gas-powered version, or your personal review style.